In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open up a Trading 212 account. By the end, you'll have created your Trading 212 account, completed verification, signed the required documents, and deposited funds so you can start investing or trading. First, open your browser and go to the Trading 212 website, or launch the Trading 212 mobile app. On the home screen, click Sign Up or Open Account. You'll see a registration form appear. Type your email, create a secure password, and confirm. If you're on desktop, this is usually at the top right. On mobile, it's on the main landing screen. Continue to the next page to begin your application. Next, select your account type. Choose Invest if you want a standard account for buying shares and ETFs. Choose Stocks and Shares ISA if you're a UK resident and want a tax-efficient account. Choose CFD only if you understand high-risk, leveraged trading and are comfortable with the potential for rapid losses as well as gains. Click the option that matches your goal and proceed. Now enter your personal details. Type your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID, then add your residential address, date of birth, and nationality. Provide your tax identification number, often called a TIN. This is the tax ID your country uses to identify you for tax purposes. Make sure everything is accurate and up to date. Small mistakes here can delay verification. When you're done, continue. Next, complete the short questionnaire. Answer questions about your employment status, the source of the funds you'll use to invest, and your investment experience. This is a regulatory requirement and helps Trading 212 understand your background. Answer honestly and carefully. If a question doesn't apply, select the most accurate available option. Once all fields are filled, move on. Now verify your identity, also known as KYC. Click the prompt to upload a photo of a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license. Follow the on-screen guide to capture a clear image. Keep the document in frame, well-lit and readable. Next, take a selfie so the system can match your face to the ID. If requested, upload proof of address, such as a recent utility bill or bank statement, showing your name and address. Make sure the document is clear and not cropped. Submit everything and wait for the upload to complete. This step is standard and helps protect your account. Once that's done, you'll be asked to sign documentation electronically. Open each document, review it, and add your electronic signature where indicated. For non-US citizens, you'll see the W-8BEN form. Sign this to confirm your non-US status and help avoid double taxation on US dividends. Ensure your name and details match the information you provided earlier. When all documents show as signed, continue. At this point, your application is submitted. Verification usually completes within 24 hours. You can keep the app installed or stay logged in on desktop. You'll receive a notification or email when your account is approved. There's nothing else you need to do until you're verified. Once verified, fund your account to get started. Click Deposit or Fund Account. Choose your payment method, bank transfer or card, then enter the amount you want to add. Or double-check the currency and amount before you confirm. If you use a card, the funds may appear quickly. Bank transfers can take longer depending on your bank. Confirm the deposit and wait for the balance to show in your Trading 212 account. You'll see the available cash in your app or web dashboard. From here, your Trading 212 account is open, verified, and funded. You can now navigate to the Invest account or the account type you chose, search for a stock or ETF, and place your first order when you're ready. If you selected a CFD account, proceed with caution, and remember that leverage trading carries high risk. That's it. Your Trading 212 account setup is complete and working, and your funds are ready for use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.